Hey guys, how are you? It's Keith here from Assemble. I'm one of the co-founders. I'm also a carpenter and builder by trade. What I'm going to do today is we're going to jump into the products, show you around, but just specifically what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to do a takeoff for blockwork for a house. So you go to assemblepro.com. This is what you're going to see. You're going to click on start free trial. So you get a 2-week free trial, so 14 days, no credit card or anything needed. Just hit sign up, email, password, and you're going to land in here. What's going to happen now is you're going to be asked to upload your first set of plans. So you'll see a screen like this where you upload a set of plans, you name your project, and you're good to go. So I already have it set uploaded. We're going to jump in here. Quick look around then. So on the left-hand side, you'll see all the pages appear. On the bottom, you're going to see all the tools that you need for doing your takeoff. I'm going to scroll down here and use the elevations for doing this takeoff. So we're going to zoom in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the tool that gives me the area. So the polygon, I'm going to throw it into a group here, which is masonry. So 9-inch blocks on flat, just specifically what I'm measuring. So I'm going to start clicking around here. You can see that it is starting to follow me. So and then you double click to finish. So important to note that. Again, we're just going to go up here, and you're kind of wondering why I'm going over the windows here. So we will get to that and we can deduct them afterwards. So double click to finish again here. So I'm just really kind of giving you a look here at how you can kind of go about it and how you can get it done. Again, if you take a little bit extra time, you can get really close on everything. So here I can actually just click, go the whole way up the apex. We can do all this in one go. So we're going to go around each elevation just to make sure that we get every face of the walls, the north, south, east, and west. Clicking here, clicking here. We're going to click down here and double click again. So just this little bit of this window is done, and we will go around and deduct all these afterwards. All right, so we'll just go up and around here on this one. Alrighty, so we are going to double click to finish. There is one more elevation on another page, but for this exercise, we'll stick to this page. So we're going to hit the deduct feature here, so you can see my mouse hovering over it. So we're going to hit deduct, and we're just going to again just click it around. So this is taking those patches out of it. So we're going to deduct here for the front door. There we go. It's just so we can get a nice accurate measurement. Again, we're going to go around this window, double click to finish. So again, click, 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 and double click. So we're just going to do this with all the windows. Double click to finish. So you can see over here on the right hand side in the measurement drawer, just as I'm doing this, that the tally is kind of decreasing as I deduct. It increased as I did each measurement. Double click there. We're coming around here to these last kind of few doors on the last elevation. We have this one here as well. So you can see just how easy this is. You would be kind of doing this all with a scale ruler and highlighters and kind of big printed out plans. So this kind of eliminates all of that, which is brilliant. Double click to finish. So over here we see it. We have the 103.12 meters squared is the kind of total for these 3 elevations. And so that's really it. And just to show you kind of how it finishes. So if you are sending this as an estimate, you can hit export up here. So we're going to download the marked up plans. We're going to just download this one page just to show you. And we are going to open it here. So this is a PDF that you will get afterwards, after you've downloaded all your measurements. You'll get this for every measurement you do. And you can send this along with your quote, which really will set you apart from competitors out there. So if somebody else is sending a quote just in a text or an email or back the napkin, whatever it is, and you're sending your quote, with marked up plans like this, like showing everything you've allowed for, you're really going to set yourself apart, and your chances of winning that job uh, are way higher. So yeah, that's it. Just jump in, assemblepro.com, give it a try. As I said, 14-day free trial, and we look forward to seeing you in there.